In the mystical land of Nostravia, a curious breeze named Zephyr roamed the skies. One day, Zephyr noticed the creatures below sneezing whenever he passed by. Intrigued, he asked the wise old oak why this happened. The oak chuckled, "Sneezing is a gift, dear Zephyr. It helps clear our noses by expelling dust and germs." Zephyr decided to play a trick, swirling more dust around. But then, he sneezed too, realizing even breezes aren't immune. The creatures laughed, teaching Zephyr that everyone, even the wind, needs a good sneeze sometimes.